Hello guys, here we are going to start the Netapp System Manager and we will cover all the chapters in this. First of all, we will run the storage wizard by clicking on storage, and after that the storage wizard will open as I have already run the wizard and it's showing this. So when you open this it will show you that wizard, but here it is showing me this aggregates volumes and QPs. But definitely it will show you that wizard and you need to run that storage wizard and click continue and then finish. After that we will start creating aggregates. Click on aggregate and after clicking on aggregate click next. After that give aggregate name array type, that is rate db, and click the next so that it will display you all the details, all the aggregate name and the capacity and all that. So the disk capacity is 0, so we need to select the disk here so that we can provide disk space to aggregate. Here we will select the disk and we will select FCAR, and it's showing 3 disks, so that means it contains 3 disks. So when we select disk space, we need to select more than 2 disk space, because it is required to have 2 disk space at least. So we will select 3. I can't select 4 because I don't have more disk space, so I will select 3 here and I will click save and close and finish. So we see here that a new aggregate is created. So we can also create aggregate by command line. First we will check the aggregate status, and here we are going to create aggregate with this command aggregate agree2 minus b 64. Here we are going to create 64-bit aggregate, but as I don't have more disk space, so I am not able to create this 64-bit aggregate. But when you do this command, you definitely will be able to complete this. Now we will check here. Then after creating, you need to check the aggregate status, and the aggregate created by command line will be shown here. Next is disk failure. Here we need to fail one disk. First data disk. We have seen the data disk is v517. By typing the command disk fail v517, we fail the command and enter yes. We fail the command, we fail the disk, and now we will unfail the disk. So by doing all this, we can fail the disk and unfail the disk according to ourselves. Next is add disks to aggregate. The aggregate we have created, we can add disks to them. So as I have created gt underscore agree done, so I can add disk to here. So by clicking on disks, I will first search about the spare disk. I have spare disk. This is the priority, like the aggregate I have. So first I need to search about the data disk. It's spare disk. Here I will add it to the aggregate. By clicking on right click, I will add to aggregate, and this will be added to the aggregate by following these steps. I will give the aggregate name, so where I want to add aggregate the disk. So this is going to be the disk in this aggregate. It was previously 3. Now let's see that it's now 4. So we can see that the disk is added to our aggregate gt underscore agree done. Alright, it is added already. Now we are going to create volumes. Clicking on volumes, click create and give volume name, that is NAS vol, then total size, and we can do the details according to yourself and click create. By clicking create, it will create the volume. We can also create volume by command line by entering some commands. So this one is the aggregate we have created. So we can also resize the aggregate by clicking on the resize button. It was 1 GB previously, so now we can suppose I'm going to give 1.5 GB. So uh, this is 1.5. Now I can see that by clicking next, the size will be resized. Now click next. Now again click next. We can see that it is changed to 1 GB to 1.5 GB. And this way we can resize our volume. See, volume resize result. It is successful. Now we can also do this by command line. By following the volume status, first we will check the volume status. That what is the volume status? That means what is the status of that volume and NAF wall. So it is 64-bit with the rate DP, and it's showing all the details. We can see that it is showing all its megabytes taken. So we are gonna resize it. Wall size NES wall 100G. So it's gonna size to 100G. Wall status. We will see the difference in the size. Previously when we checked the volume status, now you can compare. See, this is we can change. Here we will create key trees by selecting Unix, and here we have created the key tree. We can also create key trees by command line by entering all these commands. See, you can see that the new key tree is also created with the Tanu 2. First we have created Tanu and now it's Tanu 2. We can also delete this key tree by right clicking on it and click OK to delete the key tree. We have deleted the key tree, right? So in this way we can delete the key tree. The key tree status is now this because we have deleted that. So next is we're gonna delete the volume we have created. We have already created in NAS wall. Now we're gonna delete it by clicking on delete button. First we need to offline the status of it. We're gonna offline the status. Continue offline. Click on now it is offline. Like see, this is changed into offline. So we can delete this. Now we can delete this while it is offline. So now we can see that the volume we have created is now deleted. Hope you guys have enjoyed my screenshot and give me more likes. And I'm wishing you the best of luck for using Netapp System Manager.